Good morning, you guys.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that?
It is 5:40 a.m. and your girl is wide awake. I've been up since, I think I've been up since like 5. Yeah, I've been up since like 5 o'clock. Well, really like 4:40 because I had to go to the bathroom. But I couldn't fall back asleep and I turned on the TV and it was a wrap after that. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. It is 8:08 and I did not go to sleep. Now I'm tired, but there's no point going to sleep. For what?
South. Because they're gonna bar up north for guys these days. The problem is this.
I decided I was gonna make some quiche because it takes like 30 minutes to bake. So I'm like, let me just make this real quick. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm just making egg quiche, like nothing special in it.
Because I have a promise from God that he'll bless me if I'm in a city. He'll bless me if I find myself out in the country. So that means, number one, he's going to bless your babies. Your obedience can get your babies blessed. You know how you know that? Because there's a whole lot of you in here blessed, and you don't deserve to be blessed. You blessed because your grandmama prayed for you. That God can bless you. They're going to tell you, oh, you think you're better than us. And your response should be, you're right, I do. Because I decided to trust God. I decided I was not staying at this little lane. I decided the God I serve was able. It's not my fault you don't trust God. It's not my fault you don't have a prayer life. I just will go for it. I said you might as well go for it. Make up in your mind, you're going to gonna settle. You want everything that God has promised.
What's up, y'all? I'm vlogging off the phone, but we just got to Walmart and we're about to get some pumpkins and like carving stuff. I don't know what we're eating for lunch, but yeah, I just wanted to update y'all real quick. All right, you guys, I'm back on the camera and I'm also back at home. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store super quick. What's up, you guys? It's like I was about to say 4 hours later. I just woke up like an hour ago. I had to take a little nap, but we back. I refreshed my face and I got all the ingredients out to cook.
That bread sound like a pillow.
So
why that bread sound like a pillow?
sounds like a pillow?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? How does a pillow sound?
Like a pillow.
Alright, y'all, we just got in the car. We finna start our date. It's hot in here. Ooh, it's hot outside. But yeah, I'm gonna
Get an air ton to blow.
Alright, y'all, we just got out here and a bug just bit my foot. But yeah, it's so nice out here.
Seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. away, think he was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, all the way my arm won't feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, goodness in my mind. Help me on my fears, my level. Since I disappeared, if you left me feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Night, ooh, way to deal, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, can't do it, baby. Heavy on my empty mindset. I can see some losing the best of me. Don't worry now, wasted the best of me. All you been, you don't care. Now I'm trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change to me, a war in my mind.
You made your eyeballs come out tough as hell.
Yeah, these are pumpkins. They came out so good. Cheers.
We finna make cookies, nigga. That's the intro.
We finna make homemade cookies. We finna make homemade cookies for the first freaking time. This is both of our first time. And he's making snickerdoodle and I'm making chocolate chip. So we're gonna see who comes out the best, which I'm sure it'll be.
Chocolate chip is everybody makes chocolate chip all the time.
That's not the point. The point is we're making the foundation of the cookie.
I know what the point is. What I want.
Oh. Cheers.
cake.
Is it good though?
Yeah. Thick as fuck, like a cake. Try it.
Bruh.
All you have to do is cut them into circles.
Look, open that.
Alright guys, you ready to see your cookies? Shit look crazy! Oh shit, busting off the paper. Well, homemade cookies, guys.
Homemade cookies for the win.
You like mine?
Mhm.
Are you lying?
No, it's good. It doesn't taste as flavorful.
Yeah, it doesn't. But that's because.
But I still like it. Like, I can still taste the snickerdoodle, and it's cooked. Like you said, it tastes like cake. They really use all that flour for cakes. Hold up, did you just make a cake instead of cookies?
No, I love some. I'm just happy to know I don't feel bad.
What you paying, Zay?
This kind of spread.
Oh, yes, it's smooth.
Looking a little burnt.
Okay, which side you want us to say? You want to give us this piece? Thank you.
Nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Let's see. You ready?
One.
Yeah, it's a little hot in it.
Smells
It
good.
look good, yeah. It smell good, look good.
It's
all
soft.
that. It is. It's like just real chocolate chip cookie, no cap. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
What? Moist? Hell yeah.
Not too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
These good.
She did.
She did that.
So, I'm gonna let y'all know. I made a cake. She made the cookie.
Oh,
So in terms of the task, she won. But my shit was still bust.
Oh yeah, both of ours was bust. I give it a 9 out of 10 because I should have got, well, I could have got a more quality chocolate so that it could probably spread better.
Hold on.
Like when I separate it, spread. But it's cool. Question.
Yeah.
Who's even though my cookie wasn't really a cookie, whose cookie was better? Complete honesty. Y'all heard that?
Why?
It won't bad. It won't bad. It just his was better.
But why? See y'all next time.
I'll take you next Sunday.